Okay, we're gonna go straight up this street right here, and before you do, we'll just give you a little view of what's around me. Little plaza, all kinds of cool little stuff everywhere. Okay, let's go up this banyan tree focused road. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so before we go up there, you can kind of see some Fanta grape shop. Pretty big, kind of like that tree. There's another one over here too. Coca-Cola. About the size of that tree. So yeah, I got this one and you got that Fanta one as well. And then Curry Monster, Japanese. This kind of cool looking thing. And we're gonna be going behind me in a minute, but this is the square that we're at. Largo is square. Rua de Mayo. We're just gonna go briefly into here. Just kind of. So we're gonna focus on that street. They're doing some filming back there, so. It's a pretty photogenic street, so a lot of people like to film in there. I was gonna poke around a little bit, but that's not even the focus of our street anyways, so. Another cool street right here too. And got a nice Chinese restaurant right here. This is our focus right here. Rua Governador. So we're just gonna walk straight down that way. Got a nice temple right here as well. The ashes are kind of falling down. And this street is so beautiful because of these banyan trees. And also the potted plants are nice too, eh? And of course you got this little temple right there. Some chairs nearby. Yeah, it looks real nice. Looks like she's actually taking some time and just kind of going through and nurturing them. Yeah, and then all the banyan trees over there. They're taking care of these ones too. It's a little side street there. Let's just walk over a little bit. Kind of maintaining the trees. It's probably their bags. Yeah, it's a nice little area. So yeah, actually there's kind of this big black and white everywhere now. So so as you can see, it's actually a little bit different. It was the road kind of went around these trees a little bit,